In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Api-ms-win-core library error on your Windows 11. So let's get started. So go to the Windows search bar and simply type Chrome to open a browser. But it could be any of the browser that you have on your Windows. I'm going to paste the link in the description box below so that you can go directly into the page to download the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable package. So here, you'll find the download links. So check for the system type of your Windows so that you can download the exact link for that. Go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it. You'll find your system type. So I am a 64-bit PC. So click the download link for that. And then wait for the process to be done. Now once done, click on it. Click on the folder icon. Wait for this to load. Double click. Now simply check the option I agree to the license terms and conditions and click on the install button. Now after you have installed it, consider restarting your Windows. So for that, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. But if you have already installed that into your Windows, try to consider repairing it. So go to the Windows search bar and type api-ms-win-core-libraryloader-l1-2-1.dll. Click on it under the best match. Locate the installed Microsoft Visual C++. Here it is. Right-click and then click on the Change button. You'll find the option to repair it. Click on that and wait for the process to be done. After repairing it, consider also to restart your Windows. Okay, so simply wait for that. You have to do this for all the Microsoft Visual C++ that you have installed into your Windows. Just try to repair each of that. Okay? And the next thing that we can do is to perform the system file checker scan to fix for any system corrupted files. So go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. On the right pane, you will find the option to run it as administrator. Click on that and do not forget to click on that. Type sfc space / scan. Now the commands will be posted in the description box below. Hit enter. The system scan will begin, so simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. You can just simply minimize it and do your other task, but once it is completed, just simply type exit in the command prompt window and also consider to restart. And the next thing that we can do is to update our Windows. So click on the start button and then you have to go to settings. Now from the list of options on the left pane, click Windows Update. And click the button to check for updates. This comes with the necessary files that you need for your Windows. Once you're updated and good. And the last thing is to try to reinstall the program that is giving you the error. So click on the start button and go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on apps, installed apps. Locate the application that is giving you the error. Click on the three dots, select uninstall, and then click on the uninstall button once again and just try to reinstall it into your Windows. So that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you for watching the video.